Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you've been following all the Luna Ultra lately, you've seen video after video after video. You've seen people complain about not having a color overlay on the LUT. Well, I'm here to tell you that they have fixed that. There is a new firmware out. I went to their website. It's not even on the website that I clicked on. And this is the new version. So the new version is 1.0.214. So I'm going to show you where the color recovery is on the menu. You open up your Luna Ultra, pull to the side like you always do, change from standard to log. As soon as you hit log, you have color recovery down here on the bottom, and I have it set to on. Now you notice if it's off, you have no color in your iLog setting, and if you turn it on, then you can see color with your iLog. So that is a nice addition to the Luna Ultra. You heard it here first. Thanks for watching.